welcome to the Bearded Wingnut channel. I'm your host, the Bearded Wingnut. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a small, compact, very powerful Nerf gun that will fit right in your pocket. All you will need is some PVC pipe, an evil dinosaur, a hacksaw, lighter, tape, screw, drill, a bunch of other stuff. Let's get into it. Now, starting off, have your evil dinosaur cut you 3 pieces of 3" by 3" PVC pipe. This is going to be attached to a 3" cap. Now, after that, we're going to take a 3" by 3" piece of PVC pipe and connect it to a reducer, which is 3" down to 1.5". And we're going to do the same thing on another piece so that these two are identical. After we've glued those pieces together, we're going to take this bushing. This is 1¼ and it has a 1/2" threaded center. It would be better to have 1.5" to fit properly, but the store I was at did not have it, so I'm going to use some black electrical tape and tape it up, make it thick enough to fit in nice and snug, and then glue it in. After you have taped a fair amount so that it fits nice and snug, go ahead and take some of your glue and glue the inside. Take your taped object and beat it in with a hammer. That way you know it works good. Get plenty of glue on the bottom side. Probably should do the top side too, but I don't want to have it all over my hands. So I'm just going to tape it. Because why not? Alright, now come to our barrel. This is 12" a 1/2". Go ahead and screw that in. Nice. And take a drill and drill a hole at the very bottom. Okay. So I'll take a screw, screw it into that hole. I didn't bother grabbing a screwdriver, so we'll just use a pair of pliers. After a very long time, just about there. There we go, all the way through. Now this is your barrel. So you take a Nerf bullet, you drop it all the way down, and it won't fall through. Now, we're done with that for now, so we'll set that off to the side. Take your 3" tape, get your cleaner, clean the inside. While we're here, we'll clean that side as well, and that side as well. Get ahead of myself here. Okay, put your glue. Make sure you're doing this in a very well ventilated area because this glue is powerful. And it might make you see things that you're not supposed to see. So after you do that, take your hammer, tap that down all the way. Same on the other side. Okay. On the bottom, glue may have set a little too early. That's interesting. Okay, so that part is done. Now in this corner here, go ahead and get your cleaner out. And take your 1.5 PVC pipe, stick it in there. Okay. And then your threaded fitting. And glue that. Stick that on there. And have that. And that is the completed product. Very concealable Nerf cannon. Okay, so now we're going to drill a hole in the mouth near the cap. This is so that we can stick a lighter inside to ignite the hairspray or whatever we use to propel our Nerf bullet. After the hole is drilled, take some electrical tape and make a cone shape. Just wrap it around so that it makes a nice wedge and gets nice and snug in there so that the gases don't escape and burn your hand. I found that if you put a piece of dowel rod in the Nerf bullets, they make great artillery shells and will shoot well over 100 feet.